We've built our facility in a way that allows us to be flexible.
Well, we can have everything from customers that order 1,000 cases at a time to customers that order 5 million cases at a time.
We're always open to purchasing new equipment, open to new processes, new ideas.
We do obviously soda, we do energy drinks, we do functional waters, vitamin type waters, teas, isotonics. We're organic certified. We're kosher by product line. We go to great pains to verify claims like gluten-free, vegan, non-GMOs. We can run them all. We just require verification from the customer and from ingredient suppliers that, of course, the product qualifies.
We'll listen to the customer. We'll let the customer tell us what they want, and we're going to work our hardest to make sure they get exactly what they want.
With 3 aluminum can lines, 1 hot fill plastic bottle line, each line can do about 500,000 cans or bottles a day. On the can lines, we have 3 aluminum can lines. We could do everything from 5.5, 6.8, 7.5, 8 ounce, 8.4, 12 ounce, 10.5 ounce, 16 ounce. So
we can run multiple final package sizes, whether it's a 24 pack, a 12 pack, 6-pack, 4-pack bundles.
We have 1 hot fill plastic bottle line. We specialize in single serve, so the typical size we would run is 8 ounce to 20 ounce, but with change parts, we can exceed those parameters. As far as labeling, on our plastic bottle line, we have 2 types of labelers. We have a Krohn's Canmatic cut and stack type labeler, as well as a American Fuji shrink sleeve labeler. So any bottle, assuming we have change parts, can be run with either a cut and stack label or a full shrink sleeve label. In the blending area, we have 2 8,000-gallon tanks, 2 6,000-gallon tanks, and every tank is equipped with a Grado high-speed shear mixer.
We have the ability to blend just about any kind of ingredient, powders, concentrates.
So typically, when we get a formulation from a customer, the day of manufacture, he'll come in, we'll batch the product per his specifications. We send it to the blend tanks where it's agitated, and we do some QA checks, make sure it meets his requirements. We essentially get the product exactly where he wants it, and then he signs off on it, and then essentially we start rolling. In the QA lab, we'll test for all the commonly accepted beverage parameters, Brix, pH, color, turbidity. We have an HPLC for measuring things like caffeine content. So again, it's all the typical beverage test parameters that we test for. During the day of the run, of course, we'll monitor those every 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever the customer specifies. So at the end of the day, the customer knows the first can is going to be the same as the last can.